And we found the Taiwan venue. Check it out, it's huge. They got free tattoos. We got our tattoo already. It's a very big pavilion. Lots of people. Even the Canadians here speak better Mandarin than I do. Check out my tattoo. It's awesome. Look at that. We even get some lanterns all the way from Taiwan. Get a couple, take home. It's really cool. Check it out. 3D. And look at all the different things here. They got a map. They got hats. All kinds of things. They even have calligraphy if you want to do calligraphy. They got some games over here. Win some prizes. Really cool. So when I was a kid, this was my hangout. Klondike Park. Over there is Klondike Mike. We used to sit here and watch the train go by. Looks like it's all closed down now. Good memories. Ding, 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 ding. Hey, Mike. What a hot day it is today here at the Heritage Festival. This is a new site for this. Here we are at the Thailand stall. Traditional Thai dress. Next to Thailand, we have Colombia. And here's the Japan venue. Not even English words. Oh, look at that. They even got a gate here for the Japan venue.
Dancers!
That's cool. Lebanon just had a dance. Now they're inviting people to come out and dance.
Alrighty, welcome to the Korea Pavilion. Thank you so much for being with us here today. We are MUDC, McEwen University Dance Club. Yes, woo! For those of us that don't know, we're from the university itself, yes. We have some amazing talented dancers today preparing an amazing performance. We're going to be dancing for a good old 30 minutes. It'll be fantastic, all right? We needed all of your energy. Yeah, can you give that to us? Yeah? Woo! Amazing. Well, just a little bit of a history. So MEDC was born at the university by some amazing people, and over the years it's just been going and going and going, and we are actually celebrating 10 years this year, which is amazing. Yeah, woo! But anyway, we are going to have an amazing performance with a little story, so if you can follow along, do it. If not, just have fun with the songs, vibe with them. If you like K-pop, amazing. If you don't, hopefully you like it now after the performance. Yeah, let's get it. Alrighty, let's get it out for MUDC. Woo!
Are you guys excited for Heritage? Yeah! Just a couple of days left, so we got this. Woo!
Hey. Hello? Hey guys! Is this MUDC K-pop? I need to know. So, my crush really likes K-pop, and I need help learning some dances.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, we got you, girl.
Let us take you on a fiery 10-year journey.
Now that you mention fire, do you guys hear that? What is that?
The name is CL21. It's been a long time coming, but we're here now. And we about to set the roof on fire, baby. You better get yours, cause I'm getting mine. 21. And now we need a lot. We're 21.
Totally.
연서 줄게.
And here we have Italy. Toledo. They've even got their own Leaning Tower of Pisa. That is cool. How cute. Some Romanian dance for you. And here we have the China Pavilion. Looks like they're going to do a Chinese line dance. It's also pretty big. Check it out. Magical wave bowl.
Yeah, that's magic. Off with a burst
Here's
of
the
energy.
India Pavilion.
Our first performance is going to be by
Big.
Mitra Dance School. They specialize in South Indian dance
Having a
forms
dance.
like Bharatanatyam, semi-classical,
And next
and
to the
Bollywood.
Scandinavia
Mitra is open to students of all ages, including those
Pavilion.
new to dance.
Here we have Croatia. We missed a few stalls at the back. It's getting a little bit too hot. So here we've got Australia. Take a look at over there. And Portugal. Bangladesh. And over there somebody fainted or fell down, hit his head. Police all responded very quickly. Let's go check out Australia. Back in the Taiwan Pavilion. Got a little performance going on. That's cool. Wow, look at this guy. This guy's really moving it. Well, show's over. Now we're at the Poland. Looks like they're sleeping. Interesting. Interesting. Must be hot to dance like that. Hey, Klondike Mike. I missed you when I was a kid. It's been a long time. Good to see you again. See what it looks like inside. Looks like you can't go in there anymore. See old train station. All right, until next time. See ya. Okay, now back at the Singapore, Malaysia stall. Seems now they opened up. See what kind of food they got going on over here. Look at that. Yummy, yummy. It's delicious. Here we are at the old Coliseum site. Heading on our way to Heritage Festival.